Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bilqeesah Sadeeq. If you're new here, well, welcome. I'm going to wait for a while. You hit the subscribe button down below, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the notification button. Yeah, we're waiting. I'm pretty sure you're done. So today we're going to be making shepherd pie. Yeah, well, let's go through the ingredients. Okay, so you're going to need lamb, minced lamb, not beef, lamb. And grated onions, grated carrots, grated garlic, and half teaspoon of salt, Maggi stock for seasoning. Well, this is just for the lamb part. So for the topping, you're going to need potato, Irish potato. Actually, mine is already about to start boiling, so that's why I can show you here. You need egg yolks and Parmesan cheese. Well, I don't eat cheese, so I'm not going to be adding Parmesan cheese to my own. So, but you're going to need if you like cheese. Yeah, so let's start. So we're going to get this started. Get this on. You need a little bit of oil to get this started. You don't need too much because the lamb has its own oil. We don't want to end up with greasy shepherd pie. No one likes that. So you wait a little for this to get hot. But then if you're using a non-stick pan, you can just go ahead and put your lamb in there. My own pot is not non-stick, so that's why I got a little bit of oil in there. So I used to recognize myself. It's funny your reflections change. We're becoming something else. I think it's time to walk away. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you and not with me? Everything that's wrong, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you and not with me? See the goodness in that. Okay, now you're just going to add in your onions. Carrots. Garlic. Thyme, salt, and stock. So I've gotten some black pepper in there. If you're like me, you like pepper, you can add in some pepper. If you don't, it's cool, it's optional. So yeah.
It's like without pepper.
I mean, okay, so at this point you can go ahead and add your chicken stock, whatsoever, or vegetable stock. Well, I haven't got that, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water and let it boil. If you like red wine, you could add it in. Well, I don't do wine, so no wine. So I'm going to just, at this point I'm just going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste. At this point some people just prefer to add flour. They just mix flour with water and then add it so it could become thick, and all. I prefer to add tomato paste. I mean, the flavor it gives to it, it's amazing. And I forgot to tell you guys, you don't have to use fresh carrots. You could use what is it called, frozen carrots and peas, mixed vegetables, all those ones. But for me, I love the fresh ones. It gives it this amazing flavor. And then if you can, I would advise you to use the fresh one. Oh yeah, and I added soy sauce in here, so you could add it if you want. It's optional. Can you see that? Okay, so this is ready, but then it still has some juices in there, so I'm just going to wait for it to evaporate a little. Okay, so this is done. Can you see it? All this while my potato has been boiling, so we're just going to off this. Alright, so we're going to transfer it into this.
So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you and I'll be me?
Alright, we're just going to let this sit here while we mash the potato, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so my potato is done. We're just going to mash it. You could use fork, mixer, whatsoever. However you need to get this guy mashed, get it mashed. Okay, it's all mashed. Now we're just going to add in our yolk, salt, butter, and we're just going to mash it.
Becoming something else, think it's time to walk away. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you?
So at this point you could just add your Parmesan cheese, but like I said, I don't eat cheese, so that's why I added butter. So it's all ready now. Can you see that? Now we're just going to fill it in.
Gonna bring us to our
So here I've got oregano and then black pepper. So I'm just going to put a little on top of it. I'm just going to use a fork. So yeah, we're done. Okay, so this is going into the oven now for just about 15 to 18 minutes, and I'll see you back after that. Alright guys, it's out of the oven. Can you see the crispiness, all this goodness in it? Okay. We're going to serve now. So here, I've got to end the video here because the lightning is going and it's getting late. Anyway, so yeah, bye. Oh dear guys, that's shepherd pie. If you like the video, hit the like button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yay. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and well, I'll see you in my next video.